time for a quintessential 1950s casserole that's perfect for Wally and the Beaver, and a cocktail for Ward and June Cleaver. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Today's vintage recipe, Tuna Noodle Casserole, adapted from the classic Cooking with Soup, a Campbell cookbook, is comfort food at its most basic and really easy to make. However, I wouldn't dream of opening all those cans without a cocktail. Here's a forgotten favorite, the Brooklyn, from The Fine Art of Mixing Drinks by David A. Embury, which is guaranteed to add inspiration to your meal prep. To make it, all you do is combine 1½ ounces of whiskey, 1/2 ounce dry vermouth, a dash of maraschino liqueur, and a dash of Ameripicon or Angostura bitters. Stir with ice, strain into a cocktail glass, and garnish with a cherry. Okay, I'm ready to open those cans. It's casserole time! Start by combining 1 cup of sliced celery and 1/4 cup chopped onion on the stovetop with 1/8 cup butter or shortening and cook until tender. Add 3 cans cream of mushroom soup or cream of celery soup, 1½ cups milk, 3 cups cooked pasta of your choice, 4 drained cans of tuna, and 1/4 cup diced pimento. Pour into a casserole, sprinkle with 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, and bake at 375 degrees for 30 minutes or until browned and bubbling. Speaking of 50s food, here's a tour of our tiny kitchen, which was last remodeled in the 1950s. It may not have any counter space, but it's small and mighty and gets the job done. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, and an extra special thank you to our Patreon patrons. Be sure to join us this weekend for an Easter visit from Cousin Glendora. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.